Is your device's screen popping out, falling off, or just won't stay put? You're not alone. And you've clicked on the right video. Today we're diving into the world of DIY fixes to get your screen snug and secure, just like day one. Hey tech enthusiast, and welcome back to our channel where we solve your tech troubles with easy to follow tutorials. Before we roll up our sleeves, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss on any of our tech solutions. Alright, let's get to it. Whether it's a phone, tablet, or laptop, the process can be similar. But remember, each device has its quirks. So consult your device's repair manual when in doubt. Safety first. Ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. You'll need some basic tools like screwdrivers, plastic pry tools, adhesive strips, and possibly a heat gun or hair dryer. Ready? Let's fix that screen. Step 1. Opening the device. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove any screws securing the back screen or back cover. Then gently insert a plastic pry tool between the screen and the device frame. Carefully work your way around the edge to loosen the screen. Step 2. Accessing the damage. Once open, inspect the screen and frame for any damage. If the screen is cracked or the frame is bent, these parts may need replacing. For our purpose, let's assume it's just the adhesive that's failed. Step 3. Preparing for reattachment. Clean any old adhesive from the screen and frame using isopropyl alcohol. Allow it to dry completely, then apply new adhesive strips carefully around the edge of the frame, ensuring there are no gaps. Step 4. Reattaching the screen. Align the screen with the frame and gently press down along the edges to secure it. If your device requires it, apply gently hit around the edges to activate the adhesive, then press down again firmly but gently. Step 5. Testing. Power on your device and check the screen functionality and adhesion. If all looks good, congratulations, you've just fixed your device. And there you have it, folks. With a bit of patience and the right tools, you can fix a screen that's popping out or falling off. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, share and comment below on what you'd like us to tackle next. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our social media for more handy tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.